Alright, so hello guys, welcome back to another video today, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a drive for cash script today, which is gonna give the player cash when they drive. And the first thing you're gonna have to do is you get the leader stat script from my previous video, and the only thing you will have to change is the cash part, which is gonna be cash instead of points, and that's gonna be an easy change. Alright, so the next thing is gonna be replicate the storage and make a remote event, which I'm gonna rename to gives cash. Alright, and then go to start GUI and make a local script, which is gonna be wait, and you can set this to anything you want. I'm gonna set it to 4, and then I'm gonna do a while wait, and I'm gonna set it to 0.5. You can set it to whatever you want, and then if game dot players dot local player dot character dot humanoid dot velocity dot magnitude is above or higher whatever number you want it to be, which is I'm gonna set it to 50 SPS. So this is the speed the player needs to be going for it to give money for the player. And alright, so we're gonna continue now, and game dot players dot local player dot sorry dot character wait for child, which is gonna be a humanoid dot sit equals true. And sorry, I forgot something, which is gonna be a then. Alright, and then I'm gonna add another wait, which is gonna be a really short wait. You want it to be a really short one, so I'm gonna say 0.2, and that's gonna be game dot replicated storage dot gives cache fire server. Alright, so we are now done with this script, and we can close it if we want to, and we're gonna go over to server script service, where I'm gonna add a script, and that script is gonna say game dot replicated storage dot gives cache dot on server event connect function plr, and plr dot leader stats dot cache dot value equals, I'm just gonna copy this thing again. No, oh my god, yeah, like I keep messing this up many times. Alright, so, and we are gonna add plr dot character, I think that was correctly, and character dot humanoid root bar dot velocity dot magnitude, and we are gonna divide that by a certain number, and in my case it's gonna be 5. So it's gonna get the player speed, velocity, or whatever you wanna call it, and it's gonna divide it by 5, and that should work. And if we test it now, if we did everything correctly, it should work very well. Let's hope it does. I really hope it does. And it doesn't, because it messed something up, and it's a typo. Alright. Character. I think I did it right over there. Yep, that's well done. Alright, so I found the issue was a typo over here. I'm missing an A, and yeah, now it's fixed. Alright, let's see now. It's not doing anything. Oh yeah, I messed this up. It's supposed to be humanoid root part dot velocity. Alright. So if you now keep the changes and then play again. And it's giving me cash. Alright. So it's working correctly, and as you see, it gave me 251 cash. and I'm just gonna stop the game real quick. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial today, and I'm probably gonna link the script in the description below. And yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe, and yeah, I think that's it, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Bye.